The university has a great deal of support for all students in general. There's a fantastic careers service which will support students even after they've left the university for a while, and they've helped me in certain cases as well. There is also a lot of support for students from the Guild of Students, where it's run by students for others, and they will help anybody who's in trouble or that needs advice, and they also put on some great entertainment for the students. The city itself has benefited a lot from the capital culture status in 2008 and has had a lot of money injected into it, so it looks fantastic. It's got great areas of interest to go to, and it's steeped in culture, so we've got everything from the Albert Docks to the Beatles to the football teams, so there's always something to do. And also it's a very, very safe city. A lot of effort's been put into making sure even the nightlife is very, very safe. The most inspiring part of my undergraduate degree was the research project in my third year, because you get a real sense of what it's like to do research. You're put into the labs with a basic brief from your supervisor, and you're allowed to deal with the project in which way you see fit. You're given a lot of support from postgraduate researchers and from your supervisor, but it's the first attempt for you to really get to grips with the research project, and it's fascinating how quickly you get sucked into it. You'll end up really being obsessed with your work, and when you get the first set of results, it's a really satisfying feeling. My advice to a student looking to study life sciences would be that you should be very interested in the work and the areas you'll be looking at, because it is a lot of hard work, but it's very satisfying and very, very rewarding if you go into the work. Also, there is a lot of opportunity to specialise in your subject throughout the course, so you could choose when you go into it, or you can look at biology as in general and then choose the area that you're best at or that really interests you as you go through the course. So for example, I started just with biological sciences and then specialised in microbiology in my third year. Some of the worries I had when I started university were that I might not be able to do the work, I might not be able to cope with it, but it's really everybody is in the same boat. Everybody's given a lot of support and you're all brought up to the same level very, very quickly. There is no problem in anybody being able to cope with the work. And also the lifestyle, a lot of publicity is put into the fact that the lifestyle is the typical students that you've heard, that you read about, but there is opportunity for everybody to enjoy the social life, whether you're into going out and socialising or joining in sports activities. So you'll always be able to find a group to settle into, and you'll never have a problem with socialising.